My phone knows what I'm talking about, and you know what? You're completely right.
Stop listening into my phone! Stop snooping!
Especially your third-party free apps are notorious. They're all designed for listening in and spying.
Are you talking about spying?
I will show you how you can stop your phone from listening to your conversations through your microphone or even spying on through your camera. G'day. I'm Kelly the Kiwi living in Oz. Welcome to my variety channel, Interesting Info. As mentioned, is my phone listening to me? The answer is...
Well, the answer is yes, of course.
By now, a lot of us are aware our phone listens and spies on us.
Spying? Snooping?
We've all been there chatting with a friend or family member on the phone or even off the phone. Then later on you go onto your Facebook or Google and then all of a sudden you see the advertisements about what you've just been talking about. It's crazy. It happens again and again.
Look, I know it's crazy. I know that.
As we know, every app we have downloaded asks permission if we would enable our microphone and or camera to turn off. And most of us also knows that if we don't click accept, a lot of the functions on that particular app will not work.
It means that this damn thing doesn't work at all!
So most of us click accept. As mentioned, you just have to be careful that it is a legitimate app that you've downloaded, especially third-party free apps, as they are notorious for listening in and spying.
Wait, you were spying on us?
No!
In 2020, Apple introduced a feature on the iPhone that shows a small orange dot on the top of your iPhone when your microphone is activated, and a small green dot when your camera is activated. So whenever you see that happen, at least you could look into that particular app and see if you really need the microphone or camera toggle turned on. Sometimes you do not need those functions, but there are times that you don't. I'll explain what you need to do to turn off the microphone and or camera off on your iPhone. But before I get into this, some of you, including myself, have an Android phone. Unfortunately, there are no telltale signs as yet, like the iPhone, to see if your microphone is listening in or your camera is activated. So if you've got an Android phone, what you need to do is go into settings, click the tab privacy. The next page you will see is the tab permission manager. Click onto that, scroll down to the microphone tab, click onto that, and you will see all the tabs that you have given permission to record audio, as well as all the apps you have denied. You can do exactly the same with the camera. All you need to do is turn the toggle on or off. Just be careful if you do turn it off. You may find that some of the apps will not function the way that it should.
It's not working. I don't even know what to look for.
It's all good. You may find that you really don't need the microphone or camera function on, so toggle it off. Now, when it comes to OK Google or Hey Google, this function is usually on standby listening just in case you need to say OK Google. So if you want to turn this function off, you just need to go into your settings, tap Google, scroll down until you find settings for Google Apps, click onto that and you will see Search Assistant and Voice. Click onto that, then you will see Google Assist. Click onto that, then you will see the words Hey Google and Voice Match. Then turn the toggle off. Your Android phone will no longer respond to you when you say OK Google. Of course, keep it on if you'd like that feature. As for iPhones, it's so easy to turn off Hey Siri and your microphone and camera. So if you want to disable Hey Siri, go into your settings, tap the tab Siri and search, then turn the toggle off. So after you disable the microphone access, you can no longer get help from Siri. And of course, if you enjoy this function, no point turning it off. But remember, they can listen in, so it's up to you. As for your microphone and camera on your iPhone, all you have to do is open the settings, tap privacy, then tap microphone. You can then view which apps you have granted microphone access to, and you can then toggle off any apps you'd like to stop using the microphone. As for your camera, just repeat the same steps and tap camera instead of microphone. I really hope this helps. This video is the very first video I have made for this channel. Please click the like and subscribe button. We have to all start from somewhere. My daughter has got multiple YouTube channels.
Oh, I don't know. Thought we'd give it a go.
So I thought I'd give it a go. Have a great day or evening wherever you're from. Cheers, Kelly the Kiwi.